Hey there everybody, welcome back. We are still in Sarteneja Village with the realtor, Virginia.
Hi.
And we're going to take a look at this house here. What's the price of this one?
95.
95,000 US. Let's go check it out. Okay, here we are guys. You're greeted first with a nice screened in porch. You can chill out, watch the world go by. Look at that. And here's the house inside.
Windows.
Okay, here, first thing we see guys is the kitchen. Is this one fully furnished? Fully furnished?
Yes.
Yeah, this comes also fully furnished. 95,000 US dollars, negotiable. Look at these counters here. Natural wood, right from a tree. Look at that, handmade. Look at the center, what do they call this here? Wow, all handmade. So you got everything here. You got your fridge, little fridge, sink, double sink, stove, everything included. Very nice. You got your TV area here. Guys, a price like this, a house this price here, you can't go wrong. This is like cheap, man, cheap. All the stuff here, all the wood is all homemade. Look, this had crack in and they just made a table out of it. Look at that, beautiful. This is the living room area. Big yard. Look at the yard is big. Got curtains. So the TV on the table, you can turn it towards the sofa. You can turn towards the kitchen if you're working there. You do have some extra doors here you can open up. You have a door to your side yard. Washing machine, banana trees, everything. Bathroom is here. Another washing machine, all hooked up, ready to go. Toilet. And this must be the shower, I'm guessing. Oh yeah. Huge shower, look at that. Nice, very nice. Okay, medicine cabinet, your sink. This is good. Very nice. Do they have bedrooms? Yes, they do. They have 2 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms. Here is the first one. Large bedroom. It's big. Has fans. If you want, you can install air conditioning. Very easy to do here. I like these. These are nice. Handmade. Original wood, you know. And here's the second bedroom. Also very large. Yeah, you can install air conditioning on these if you need. You get solar panels. You can buy them from the Mennonites. Right down the road from here. Very, very good, guys. I like the kitchen, open concept. And here the side yard is, it's got a very big yard.
Yes.
Very big yard, look at that, guys. Wow. Oh, they have a pump house too and a well.
Exactly.
Yeah. See, there you have a well for water. Here in Belize, we have, most houses have a well with a pump just in case. In case the city goes off, you got water there. That's what it's used for. We got metal roof and internet. Septic tank is back there. The yard is big. You got your banana trees, everything. Oh yeah.
And a system like this for clothes.
They have security cameras. And they got keypad lock system. So if you guys want to come live in Sarteneja Village in Northern Corozal, $95,000 for this house. Great deal. Contact Virginia. I'll put her WhatsApp number down there. Send her a WhatsApp or give her a phone call. Come to Sarteneja and she will show you around and get you the best deal. She got several houses for sale. We're going to go look at some more. So stay tuned. It's 1,000 square meters. It's big. You could still build another guest house here. You can make this one bigger if you want. A lot of stuff. And we're only 2 blocks that way and you're right on the water. And the sea breeze is blowing through.
Hello.
Awesome place. Awesome, awesome place. Let me show you one more time how it looks from the street. So your property starts right here at the May plum tree. Like this. These are May plums. These are delicious. They get red when they're ripe. They're really sweet. And here in Belize, we eat them green. And we pickle them with salt and habanero peppers. It's so good. So let me walk around so you can see how big this property is. Starts right here by the peach tree, May plum tree, kinep tree, coconut tree. It's big. And the ocean is right down there. You see where the tower is? Right across the street from the tower? That's the ocean. You got a large, large property. This is how people mostly get around. Hello! On bikes. So it's always nice and quiet. Look at that. Giant rock for doing something. Oh, it's big. It is big. 95,000 US dollars, man. That's a deal. To live in a beautiful place like Sarteneja, close to the ocean. Fishing is right out there. And the town is full of fishermen. So you can buy all the seafood you want here. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, guys. Contact Virginia on her number. I showed it a little bit earlier, her WhatsApp number. That's also her phone number, so you can phone it. Or if you have WhatsApp, you can WhatsApp it. Come to Sarteneja, make a date, and make a deal with her. I don't get no commissions. I'm just doing this because I promote Belize. I want people to live in Belize, to be happy in Belize. I just do it as my hobby. Very nice place. So don't forget, you got a good deal here, man. Good deal. Thank you for showing me the house.
With pleasure.